Hi, hi, hi.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young.
Good morning. Time to set up the fountain. Oops. Oh, wow. Very high today. Look, guys. Good morning. Another vegetable to pick, bitter melon. Magandang umaga. One small dragon fruit. I know this is very sweet. Magandang buhay. Another beautiful morning. Let's go at the other side of the house. Let me check the lemon. You can still see me. I'm hiding already. Oops. Oops. In here. I get 3. Ayan siya. Ooh. Another beautiful harvest. Beautiful morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Okay. Oh, look at my plate. Let's go up. And going up, guys. Oops. What do we have in here? Oops. Wow, look at this. I get calamansi, the Filipino lime. Ooh. Nice pick as well. Ooh, naimbag na bigat tayo amin, apo. Wow, look at my plate, guys. It's full. Just walking around the garden. Okay, next is let me check. These are lasona. It's the Filipino onion. It's time to check if they get bulb. And look. Oh, this is good for the tomato that I picked. Tomato, lasona, and bagoong. We call that in Ilocos KBL. Kamatis, bagoong, lasona. We get gold hiding in here. Oh, second one. Wow, it's not bad. Wala, look. Look, guys. Merong mga nakatago na kayamanan dito. Allah. Wow. So, this is lasona, guys. Lasona in Ilocos. This is just like a Filipino version of onion. Although, I can say the taste of this is kind of stronger than onion, yeah? Different. Allah. Ooh. It's good to have plant like this. Yay. No need to buy onion in the market. This is better. This one, I will keep that since still get leaves like that. See guys, look there. Oh, wow. I did not expect that I will be having a Lasona harvest today. But hubby look into this earlier and then wow, get plenty bulbs. Yeah, nice. That's why I said, you wait, I need to film it to show. I need to show what we get to inspire others to plant. I think that will be good for now for my cooking. Oh, oh, oh. So next time we go market, I will buy what's that now? Patola, tabungaw, or battle gourd because I can use the lasona in cooking that one. Look at this. Oh, oh my God. Allah, Allah, Allah. Look at this plant. Yeah. Allah. I will just, I'm good. And this one, look at this guys. It's a big leaf, different from the lasona because this is garlic. Let's wait for this to have a bulb. Okay. So, these are the lasona that I got in here, in the pot. Not bad. Good amount already. For cooking and for partner of the fried fish tonight. Together with the tomato that I picked. Eh, lasona. Okay. So, these are my harvest today. Oops. Oops. There. Allah, look at all these birds waiting. And you stay there in the papaya. Ay, sus. Okay, you guys come now. Come, 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 come. Allah. You guys really waiting for breakfast? Okay, so you get a different breakfast today. Yesterday it was the multi-grain bread. Today it's rice. Not bad. You get variation at least. Allah, enjoy your food. Cooking time, everyone. So I am preparing our dinner for tonight. Look at this. This is the ampalaya or bitter melon, bitter gourd that I picked in a garden earlier. So I'm very happy because I will be able to use it. So I just cut in a round like this. Then I have here a bowl. What's inside? Oh, let's check. So guys, I have here split mung beans. In Philippines, Tagalog, it's called mongo. And for us Ilocanos, we call this balatong. So I soak around 1 hour. The purpose of soaking the mung beans, guys, is that it will be easier and faster to remove the shell. So, ano pang inaantay natin? Let me clean this one first before cooking. This is how I remove the shells, guys. Very, very easy and fast as well. Let me add more water. Ganito ang ginagawa ko, guys, para mabilis alisin yung balat ng monggo. Mix like that so that the skin will float. And then you do like that. You can see the green shells. They are coming out. Ayan sila. So, pwede nating alisin na ganyan. Okay, one more. Last rinse. Rinse lang natin and then remove like that. Oops. Perfect. Okay, this is the mung beans. Then I will add water. Look guys, it's starting to boil. That's why you notice get some bubbles like this that floats. It's like foamy bubbles. You have to remove this one. And there are still some shells that float, so it's good that you can remove as well. Next step is I will boil the mung beans until it expands. So now this is the process of hydrating the mung beans, guys, until it swells. So you will notice the amount of mung beans will double. So this will be good for 2 nights again for us, 2 dinners. Plus, later I will go in the yard and pick some kamote tops. Yes, guys, I will put that one. Plus the bitter melon that I picked from our pot garden. And then I will also add some, just a little bit of roast pork. Okay, so see you later again. Oh, this is good already. Done boiling, guys. And I have here, wait. I like to get a little bit. And let's go there. Mix like that. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the boiled mongo or mung beans. I put little bit of sugar. Have you tried this one, guys? You know what? When I was a kid, life is not that very easy. We are not that rich. And sometimes if I'm hungry and I see mom already boiled some mung beans, oh, I put little bit sugar and that's enough already for snack or merienda. Kaway-kaway, sinong nakaranas ng ganoon noong bata-bata pa, guys? Yes, this one is good. Wow, reminiscing my childhood days now. Yeah, I do this before. It's good. Why not? Because there is ginataang monggo, right? So that ginataang monggo is also sweet. Only that I don't have coconut milk in here. That's the only difference. Yes, guys. Mahirap ang buhay noon. Kaya kung anong available dyan, pwedeng pang merienda. Wow. I just suddenly remember this one. Why not eat little bit of the balatong with sugar? Others might say, oh, that's very unhealthy. No, it's not. Look, guys, I'm still alive. I ate this during when I was a kid. Mm, almost gone. It's good. And I don't think I let Habi try this one yet. If he will watch this video, he will tell me, what did you do with the balatong? You did not let me taste that. No more. It's time to pick kamote tops. Ooh, look at all this, guys. Remember the kamote that we planted? This is the result, plenty and looking nice. Okay, this is enough. Okay, let's start cooking the mung beans. I just need a little bit of oil. Around 1 tablespoon of oil. So first, I will refry the roasted pork belly. I-brownish ko lang siya. I will just make the pork belly brownish. Okay, so I will set aside for the meantime. Ayan siya, brownish. Next, saute the garlic. Then I will add fish sauce. Instead of using bagoong, I use fish sauce or patis. Ready? Then put the balatong, mongo or mung beans. First, the paria or bitter melon. There. Cook for few minutes para sa paria or bitter melon. Next, kamote tops. Ayan na siya guys. And then add the pork. Ayan siya guys. Ganyan lang kasimple ang dinner tonight. Ooh. Okay, let's eat. And after cooking the mongo beans, next guys, I will also fry bangus belly. So right now, I am warming oil together with 2 slices of ginger. So why do I put ginger when I fry fish? That way, the ginger will absorb the fishy smell and taste of the fish. So that's one tip for you guys if you haven't tried putting ginger if you are frying. Okay, I guess what okay, so I guess oil already warm or hot. Oh, get ready. Oops. Yeah, I have phobia at frying bangus, guys. Oh, those splashes. See you later. Wish me luck. Ah, ah, ah. Hi, 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 hi. Oh my God. You. Why you do that to me? Oh my God. I get heart attack with you, bangus belly. Oh my God. Why do you do like that? Ay. No. Oh my God. Full of surprises, this fish. Okay, let's eat. So this is the mongo with our bitter melon and kamote tops. This is our tomato and lasagna with fried bangus.